Let me show you how to make a super fluffy fruit cake. And here are the ingredients: salt, eggs, sugar, vanilla sugar, and then give it a good whisk until everything is well combined. From there you can add your vanilla yogurt, and then with a little bit of oil, that's 50 ml of oil. Add your all-purpose flour, and then add your baking powder. Give another good whisk. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined until you achieve the consistency that we're looking for. That is the consistency that we're looking for. Look at that. In another bowl, take your raisin sultanas, dust them up with some flour. In the mixture, you add your vanilla essence. Mix your raisins. Love using chocolate chips, but it's optional. Mix it well until well combined, and make sure you've already preheated your oven. Now you can take your cake mixture in a baking tray, and then oven it to 180 degrees Celsius for around 35 to 45 minutes. And these are the results. Wow, a super fluffy fruit cake. If you love the recipe, don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, guys.